I give a small function, we'll take a small function, we'll go with that. If I'm taking 2x square plus x square minus 2x minus 1, this is my f of x. If you take my g of x as x minus 1, how can I do? As you told that we have to equate this with 0. So x is equal to 1 I'm
Yes,
getting.
sir.
X is equal to 1 I'm getting. So first I'll be writing the coefficients. You are not telling that coefficients of that. See here, I'll be taking x is equal to 1. I'll be taking coefficients of this 2 and 1. X coefficient is minus 2 and constant is minus 1. First I'll be taking this 2 as it is here. I'll be taking 2 as it is here. All right, I'll be taking 2 as it is here, and again 1 into 2, I'll be multiplying 1 into 2, I'll be writing 2 here as it is. I'll be adding these two, 1 plus 2 again 3, again 1 into 3, 3, I'll be adding these two again, 3 minus 2, 1, again 1 into 1, 1. So remainder is what? 0. So by using long division method, if you are doing so, you will be getting remainder as 0 only. Getting my point? All right, any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? See here, for before
Sir, can you
question.
explain again?
Definitely here, this is a shortcut method. Look at this here. This is my, please you talk one member. If you are talking at a time, I can, it's happening clumsiness, like someone's voice is lacking, I lost my power in between, my voice also lacking. So what's happened is like, if you're talking at a time, I cannot understand, it will be happening clumsy. If you're talking one member, other student has to be remain, keep quiet. All right, see here, my f of x function is what? This one. G of x function is this one. So for shortcut method, I supposed to equate g of x with a 0 for x is equal to 1. So if I do x is equal to 1, what will I be getting? I'll be writing first coefficients of x cube, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and constant. That is what I'm writing here. All right. After that, what was my solution of g of x? X is equal to 1. I'll be substituting x is equal to 1 here. All right, so first and foremost step is I'll be writing this 2 as it is here. I'm just carrying this 2 as it is. Now
Okay, sir.
1 into 2 I'm writing here 2. Again this 1 into 2 I'm writing here 1 plus 2 3. Again 1 into this 3 I'm writing here. Again 1 into, again adding this minus 2 plus 3, how much? 1. Again 1 into 1 1. So plus 1 minus 1 0. Are you getting my point? I repeat.
Yes, sir.
I repeat again.
I got it, sir.
I repeat again. Look at this here. I'm carrying this 2 as it is here. So 1 into 2. I'm writing 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Again 1 into 3, 3. I'm adding these 2 again. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. So remainder is 0. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you understood. I took half an hour extra. I'm sorry for that. So this is what the session. I think, in between we had a huge disturbance. So I'm sorry for that. And we'll meet in the next session. And I hope you loved the session. How was the session? Did you enjoy, or did you?
Sir, it is done. It was very good.
It is very good, sir, but not able to understand some parts. To be
Which
frank,
one? Okay, Shreyan, could you please tell me which one?
then I'm not able to understand that reminder theorem.
The shortcut method?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
actually, while first we'll be like we'll feeling all different, sir. Again, if we practice more on that, we'll be getting easy, sir.
Exactly. That is
Because
your voice is like.
because I too thought the same when sir is
Yes,
in school, sir.
Exactly. Shreyan, look at this. That is not an issue. We'll definitely explain you. I'll definitely explain you that
Okay, sir.
method.
Thank you, sir.
Not an issue, Shreyan. Look at this here.
Okay.
Shortcut method you didn't understand? Which one?
No, sir.
You
This
didn't
method
understand?
only, this both.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Both methods, sir.
Both methods you did not understand. I'll explain.
Yes, sir.
See, someone is talking noise. Again, I'm getting some noise. Okay. See here.
I'll mute.
See here, first and foremost step is what I'm just writing. I'm just writing coefficients of f of x first. What are the coefficients? This is my cubic coefficient. This is my square coefficient. This is my x coefficient. This is my constant. I'm writing all coefficients first. Right? So first what I'm doing is I'm g of x with 0. G of x is what? X minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'm getting x is equal to 1. This one I'm taking over here. All right, this one I'm taking over here, and
Okay, sir.
first what I'm doing is I'm just writing this 2 as it is here. So
Okay.
2 as it is I'm writing. So 1 into 2, I'm just multiplying. I'm writing 2 this here.
Okay. 2 plus 1, 3.
2 plus 1, 3. Again, 1 into 3.
Oh.
I'm writing 3.
Okay.
All right. Again, I'm adding these 2 now. 3 minus 2, 1.
Okay. Sir,
Again, 1
I
into
understood
1, 0. All right.
it. And 1. Okay, I got
1
it.
minus 1, 0. Remainder is 0. As simple as that. Now I got an
Okay.
equation. I got an equation. What is that? I got a remainder. This one. What is my coefficient now? What is my coefficient? Any one of you?
2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1.
No. What is my coefficient? My coefficient is 2x
Sir, 2, 3,
square,
1, 0.
2x
2x
square,
square plus
2x
3x.
square plus 3x
3x
plus
plus
1.
1.
This is my
Quotient.
quotient. This is my
0 is remainder. Okay.
Understood?
Understood, sir. This.
Very
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Got it,
for
sir.
explaining.
Okay, this is what by remainder and
Sir, if
co-remainder.
we do long division method and the shortcut method, quotients and remainders are same, sir.
Definitely it will be same. It should be same. Definitely it will be. See here, someone is talking. I'm getting such a lot of noise over there.
Sorry, sir. I am.
See, what's happened is like if you're talking at a time, I'm unable to understand anything. What your doubt? One member at a time, please. Someone was saying, g of x is equal to 0. That part I understood. After that, I couldn't understand anything what you're talking about. See, yes, this is a shortcut method, but I don't think you'll be getting a method. You'll be getting a marks if you're writing by this method. Please, you try to follow long division method only. All right, please try to follow long division method only. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Please try to follow long division method only. In competitive exam, for saving the time, this is the shortcut method. In competitive exam, but not your board exam. In board exam, you're supposed to solve your board long division method only. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. I hope you understood the session, and we'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, Thank you, sir.
See you in next class. Until then, tata. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you.